Said the big client to the agency, make the logo bigger. It is too small as anyone can see. Make the logo bigger. I showed it to my wife and she agrees. Make the logo bigger for me. Make the logo bigger for me. Send the art director to the NAB. What a total jackass. What a total jackass. Take him this message straight from me. He's a total jackass. He's a total jackass. And even though they're paying us big bucks with the logo bigger, it sucks. With the logo bigger, it sucks. Send the AE to the client key. Here is our opinion. Here is our opinion. We talked about your notes and here's the thing. Here is our opinion. Here is our opinion. To tell the truth, we simply have to say that it's much, much better.